The Igbo people of Nigeria are known for numerous traditional foods. Igbo, no doubt, is home to many popular Nigerian cuisines, as most of the foods Nigeria is known for has its origin from Igbo land. Below are most commonly consumed Igbo food. Utara n'ofe. Utara n'ofe, this is the most popular and consumed Igbo food. Utara is also called Nri onuno. It can either be akpu, nya, utara ji, or nri ji, nri or any form of swallow like nyoka, semo, or guinea corn swallow. Utara can be eaten with different kinds of soup, from oha, egusi soup, onubu soup, and other variants. The second food is ji. Ji is one of the most consumed and the most important food amongst the Igbos. Ji is cooked and eaten in so many ways, but the most common way the Igbos eat their ji is by preparing it with vegetables. The process is called igwoji or ibioji. The vegetable yam is called ji agwarawo. Other ways include ji ahurahu or ji olulu, osikapa. Osikapa is one of the many foods eaten by the Igbos. Osikapa can be prepared in so many ways. The most common way to eat osikapa is osikapa ọcha na ofe osikapa, nke a na-akpọ stew n'olu bekee. Osikapa agwọrọ nke a na-akpọ jollof. Agwọrọ osikapa na agwa, ya bụ nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ rice and beans. For reason that still beats my imagination, osikapa is mostly and mainly still consumed in Ala Igbo on Sundays. The third food is abacha. It is made from cassava. Abacha can be served as an appetizer or main meal. It is mostly used to welcome visitors before serving them the main dish. Abacha can be prepared in so many ways depending on the community you visit. No event will ever happen in Enugu or Isuochi without abacha on the menu. Abacha can be prepared in so many ways, and it is best served with fresh palm wine. The next food on our list is okpa. Also referred to as the king's meal or lion's food, is a popular Igbo dish of eastern Nigeria which originated from Enugu state. Okpa is made from bambala flour, gotten from bambara nuts. Okpa is very easy to prepare as few ingredients are required, and it takes just about 40 to 50 minutes to cook. Okpa, which is mostly wrapped in banana leaves or thin white nylon bags, can be gotten anywhere in Enugu as vendors sell them virtually at all joints and parks in the state. Okpa can be enjoyed with coke, pap, soaked gari, or with tea. The next food on our list is nkwobi. Nkwobi is a much-loved delicacy in the eastern part of Nigeria. Nkwobi comes in many varieties, as it can be prepared with cow meat, goat meat, stockfish, or even chicken. Yes, the most popular of all nkwobi is isiewu and bomo, also known as kanda nkwobi. Nkwobi can be found in many beer parlors in Nigeria. Why? People mostly do not prepare nkwobi at home because it takes a lot of time and some energy, so they prefer to buy this delicacy from restaurants or local joints who cook them in large quantities, except in cases where they may have visitors or during an event. Nkwobi is best enjoyed with palm wine, beer, or other favorite drinks. The next food on our list is ji mmiri ọkụ, new mom's favorite in Ala Igbo. It is made of ji and dried fish pepper soup porridge, native to the Igbos of Nigeria. It is a traditional meal that is usually prepared for new mothers right after putting to bed. It is traditionally known as the omugo food. It is often loaded with hot peppers and natural spices, which is said to help the new mom heal faster. No new mom in Ala Igbo jokes with ji mmiri ọkụ. The next food on our list is ukwa. Ukwa is one of the popular foods eaten by Igbo people. It is made from fresh breadfruit, and the seeds are shelled, washed, and cooked with crystal soda, akamu, and water till it is soft enough for consumption. Ukwa can also be cooked with rice or agwarawo ukwa, also known as jollof ukwa. It can be made with beans or other favorite foods. Ukwa is mostly served at the tail ends of most events in Ala Igbo, where it is now time to serve the rich and the mighty who may have attended. So, if you go to an Igbo event and the ukwa has not been served, perhaps it is not time for you to see who the rich man at the event is. The next food on our list is akede. It is a small tiny bean seed which looks reddish or blackish in color. Akede is mostly found in the northern part of our Igbo, especially in Enugu State, the Nsukka Eziago axis. Akede, which is one of the legumes known for its high protein content, is one of the local foods of Enugu people. Akede can be prepared with uwa. It can also be prepared with yams or abacha. The next food on our list is ede. Ede is also one of the major foods consumed by the Igbo people. Ede is cooked and eaten in so many ways, but the most common ways that the Igbos eat ede is by preparing it with vegetables, ede agwarago or ede obibio, ede nsusu or ede mmano. Other ways that the Igbos use ede is to prepare their special soups like ofe oha, ofe onubu. Imo State uses ede to also prepare ede and ugu soup. It is a delicacy that is special to the Imo State people. Also, it is used in the famous ofowere. So, next time you go to the market, buy some ede and make some of your favorite soup. The next food on our list is ono or ona, depending on what part of the East you are from. It is one of the most nutritious and commonly cultivated yam species in our Igbo. One of its properties is that it's rich in carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals when compared to other common species of yams, mostly cooked and consumed with oil. Uwa or any of the Igbo native sauces like potash sauce, also known as ngo. In southeastern Nigeria, it is believed that it can be utilized in the treatment of diabetes and as herb for treatment of other various ailments. Agidi is one of the foods that Igbos love the most. Agidi is made of corn flour. Agidi is mostly cooked in two ways, white agidi and agidi jollof. The white agidi can be had with a variety of pepper soups or eaten with akara or other favorite meals. The jollof agidi can be eaten as a snack and a surprise juicy biscuit bone inside, which makes it the favorite of most kids because it is usually served as lunch or light dinner. What other Igbo food did we forget? Comment your favorite Igbo food on the comment section and don't forget to like and follow.